my name's Katjamacabre. I teach people how to do things with their voice. If you're interested in vocal feminization techniques, this might be for you. Stick around. We're going to do our usual siren runs now, but we're going to start off just on a low hum. So just... Deep breath in. And again. Nice, deep breath in again. One more time. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do a hum siren. So, and again, nice deep breath in. Activating your lower abdominals on the upper register, and again. One more for luck. Okay, now as we normally do, we're going to do an E siren. Deep breath in for me. And E. One more just like that on your own. And nice. Be careful not to lift the head or look up. Just keep it nice and straightforward. Now we're going to move to an ooh. Same again. Deep breath in. Ooh siren. And again, deep breath in. Nice. Ah siren. Nice deep breath in. Nice, well done. Support, support, support. And again, deep breath in. And lovely. Final siren, E-H. And lovely. One more of those. Nice. Okay, now we're going to do 3 short bursts. Okay, so we're going to do this on a hey. Now get yourself back into that humming siren. When you start to feel that middle range of your voice come up, that's when we're going to aim for that hey. Hey, 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 hey. Okay, so nice deep breath in. Hey, hey, hey. Nice. Don't forget to support. Nice deep breath in. Hum. Hey, hey, hey. Lovely. And now we're going to do it on a high. So same hum into the high. Hi, hi, hi. Lovely. And again. Hi, hi, hi. Nice. So now we're going to do the same thing. Hey, hi, hey, hi. So we're going to situate yourself back down. This is going to be targeting that mixed speaking range. So especially if we're getting into those vocal feminization techniques, this can be super helpful. So one more time, I'll show you what we're doing. Hey, hi, hey, hi. Yeah. Hey, hi, downward siren. On your own, nice deep breath in. 1, 2, 3, siren. Hey, hi, hey, hi. Well done. Let's try it together. Nice deep breath in. And hey, hi, hey, hi. One more time. Deep breath in. And hey, hi, hey, hi. That slide is going to be really useful for moving the larynx up, moving the larynx down. Nothing too punchy or harsh on the larynx, especially when we're moving it from like a low chest to a mid chest. We want to get that movement going, but in a way that's not going to like wreck the larynx. Yeah. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do a little hum. Then we're going to go A, B, C, D, E, F, G. We're going to leave it like that for today. And this is just a nice, easy step into those vocal feminization techniques. So I'll show you what I mean first. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Are you with me? Should I do it one more time? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Excellent. Let's do it one more time together. Nice deep breath in. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Lovely. Okay, next time on your own, nice deep breath in. And lovely. One more time on your own, and that's it. Nice deep breath in. Excellent stuff. Nice step into vocal feminization warm up. Woo!